Let's kick off with the first slide. Data released over the European session. Over to you, young Darren.
Okay, well, the first data point, and probably the most important one on the day, German industrial production numbers for October. So it is a lagging indicator, but they came in at plus 0.2% against the expectation of plus 0.7, so significantly lower. And, you know, it just tallies with our theme that there's very uneven recovery in the Eurozone, patchy at best, even in places like Germany, and that the ECB needs to do more. China eased again, easing the reference rates for the yuan against foreign currencies. They've been quite quiet on that front recently, so you know, maybe they'll try. Maybe we'll see more of that in the weeks up to the Christmas holiday. Staying in Asia, we heard from Governor Kuroda at the Bank of Japan in a speech early this morning. The main theme, really, you know, their continued rose-tinted view, in my opinion anyway, of the economy. He says there's no need for negative rates in Japan because their QE is hitting the target. Well, if it's hitting the target, I'm not seeing it. And then this afternoon, Mark Carney will speak in Europe. He's at the European Parliament addressing their economic committee. Obviously, we've got the Bank of England meeting properly on Thursday. So I don't suppose he'll say anything too dramatic. Nonetheless, you know, he's a central bank governor. The market will be waiting to hear if he gives any hints about timings of a possible UK rate rise or otherwise. And then in terms of what we can expect across the rest of the week, we've got China balance of trade data for November on Tuesday. Remember that we've seen some fairly disappointing import-export numbers from China over the last couple of months, so everyone will be glued to that. Eurozone GDP for Q3 also on Tuesday. And then we have China's inflation data, both PPI and CPI on Wednesday. And as I already said, the Bank of England MPC and interest rate decision on Thursday. So a reasonably full calendar, or at least what data there is important over the balance of the week.